Hey you guys, I am back. It's been over 3 months, I think, since I've been on YouTube last. So hey, Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Thanksgiving, and all the holidays that I've missed. I hope you had great ones. I can't believe it's the new year, but so much has happened for us in the past 3 months. That's why I've been gone. The last time you saw me, I was in my glittery kitchen in New York, and now I'm in my new kitchen in Philadelphia in our new home, which we were so blessed to have purchased. Our first home together, and we redid a lot of it. We'll be doing a lot of videos about the home renovation process to hopefully help anyone who might be going through it themselves. But I digress. I am not here to talk to you about home renovation. Today I'm here to talk to you about one of my first recipes of the new year, and I would consider it pretty healthy. It's definitely wholesome. It's a meat dish, so we are going to be making these basil coconut curry braised chicken thighs. Check these out. My new kitchen has a window, so we're getting some nice natural light right now, which never was a thing in any kitchen I've ever been in. So let's enjoy the golden hour. One note that I want to throw at you is to brine your chicken. It can be a basic brining solution with just water, salt, and sugar. I actually brined my chicken in a mixture of water, salt, sugar, and a little soy sauce. Actually, it was a lot of soy sauce. And that just kind of adds this nice depth of flavor, which I think goes beautifully with the coconut milk vibes, but go with whatever brine you want. All right, so I'm gonna take you to a close-up shot so you can see exactly what goes on in this delicious recipe. Okay, we are drying off our chicken thighs and seasoning them generously, like so generously, with the spice blend that you can find in the recipe in the description. Then you're gonna season your pan with some coconut oil, only a little bit though. This chicken has a lot of fat, you can see right here. And then we're gonna sear them skin side down. We wanna get them crispy, golden brown. Okay, see, that's a lot of fat. We're gonna take half of that out. Then we're gonna add our onion and our red bell pepper, and we're gonna saute and season. You cannot forget the seasoning. Saute until fragrant, then you're gonna add the ginger, garlic, cilantro, mix that up until fragrant. I would say, you know, like 2-3 minutes. Then it's coconut milk time. Give it a nice coconut milk bath. We also added lime juice. That basil paste is the most unattractive thing I think I've ever seen, but it adds a lot of flavor. Pop that chicken in and then put it in the oven and just get ready for the party that's about to happen. Bake at 350 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes until the internal temp is 165. 165, staying alive, that is what we say. Then remove it from the heat, and something I really like to do is pop either sugar snap peas or fresh green beans right into that coconut milk mixture, and it's so hot that it's gonna actually cook them and kind of blanch them, so they'll still have a crunch and that bright green color, but they'll also be kind of tender, so just a fun fact here. Then we top it with some basil if you have it. If you don't, just add cilantro on top and it's going to be magical. I can just tell by the way the chicken like bounces as I cut it, how juicy it is. It's not dry at all. Wow. Oh my God. It's definitely really rich. It's savory, it's hearty, it's kind of sweet and nutty. It's fatty, right? We got chicken fat, we got coconut milk, so you really don't need that much. And with any leftover, I would serve this with some rice. You can have it soak up that sauce. Just put it on anything, really. I put it on bread. Put some bread in there to soak it up. Do whatever you want, but regardless, I hope you like this recipe. You can find the full written version on my website, which I got a new website while we're here. It's diningwithskyler.com. And if you've been on my Instagram lately, you'll know I've been posting a lot of recipes exclusively there just because, man, these platforms, they'll really get you. But I'm really trying to come back to YouTube, and I hope I can be on here at least once a week. I said it, so now I gotta hold myself to it. So hold me to it. I hope I can do it. Okay, I'm gonna go and I will see you guys later. I'm gonna go eat this.